Welcome students. This is Social Science class 7th standard History lesson number 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs. Today let us discuss about introduction about Bahmani Adil Shah lesson. In the history of Karnataka, Vijayanagar Empire was established in 1336 CE. Later on 3rd August 1947 CE, the first Muslim dynasty came into existence, that is Bahmani Empire. The founder of Bahmani Empire is Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Battles were taking place continuously between Bahmani Sultans and Vijayanagar kings for the expansion of their empire. Here, inner conflicts also rose in the dynasty, and by 1527 CE, 5 Shah dynasties came into existence. So, Bahmani Sultans and Vijayanagar kings are having continuous conflict for the expansion of their empire, and in 1527 CE, 5 Shah dynasty came into existence. Among them, Adil Shahis of Vijaypura were prominent king. So in this lesson, the main important achievements of sultanates of these dynasties are discussed. Bahmani Sultans also gave prominence to literature, art and sculpture. So these are the points you have to know under this lesson. Afterwards, you have to know the achievements of Sultan Firoz Shah and famous Prime Minister Muhammad Gawan are discussed in this lesson. With this, Bahmani Sultans' significant contributions are also discussed in this lesson. Now, let us discuss what are the important points which are included under this lesson. First contribution, you have to know about Firoz Shah and Muhammad Gawan. Second important contributions in the field of literature, art and sculpture by Bahmani Sultans. Third one, the important places of Bahmani Sultans on map. Fourth point, you have to know the important sultans among Vijaypura Adil Shahs. Fifth one, you have to know about art, literature and sculpture of this period. So these are the main important points you have to remember under this lesson. Let us begin the lesson. When Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1336 CE, in the northern part of it, Bahmani Empire founded in 1347 CE. The founder of Bahmani dynasty was Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So Muhammad bin Tughlaq was one of the important famous ruler of Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi Sultanate administration. So Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Bahmani Sultans ruled from 1347 CE to 1527 CE. Bahmani state had the parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states under its rule. So, Bahmani Sultans are ruling some parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states which were under their rule. So, what was the important capital they made is Kalburgi as their capital. Later, they made Bidar as the important capital. Like this, Bahmani Empire was in the northern part of the Krishna river and Vijayanagar Empire was in the southern part of the Krishna river. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the great Sultan in Bahmani dynasty. So there are so many important kings ruled. Among them, Tajuddin Firoz Shah was one of the great Sultan in Bahmani dynasty. Here is a map of Bahmani kingdom, and the yellow color wherever they have marked, it is one of the important rule of Bahmani Sultans, and the important capitals are located here. First they made the important Kalaburgi and later on the Bidar as their important capitals which are located in this map. So these are the important places where they have ruled and established their important administration. Let us discuss about the famous ruler of Bahmani kingdom, Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Tajuddin Firoz Shah ruled from 1397 CE to 1422 CE. Tajuddin was very liberal, so whatever changes he wanted to make, he is adjustable and judicious, giving judgment very neatly for all the classes and believer of God. So he had the very good important administration and he made the copies of Quran and edicted it for his whole life. He was a great writer and encouraged all languages, and he was an expert in geometry and theology, about the study about the different gods. So he encouraged all languages and writing, literature, everything in his kingdom. He also sheltered many philosophers, learned persons, poets and artists also honored in his kingdom. Like this, he established observatory in Daulatabad, Maharashtra. He propagated the beauty of his capital, Kalaburgi. For this purpose, he built a new city called Firozabad on the bank of Bhima river. So, he propagated the development of the Kalaburgi city and he built a new city called as Firozabad. So, even today also it is available in northern part of Karnataka. Like this, Tajuddin gifted many villages even to Sufi saints. So, Bande Nawaz, who arrived a great Sufi saint to his kingdom during his period of time. So, he handed over many of the important villages to Sufi saint. Tajuddin concentrated on the development of ports also. So, on the seaside coastal areas, they developed ports so that different foreign travelers can enter his kingdom and they can develop trade activities. So, he is not only a great writer, he also improved the beauty of city Kalaburgi and established a city Firozabad, and he encouraged Sufi saints. Bande Nawaz also arrived to his kingdom. Ports are developed. Foreign tourism was also encouraged during the time of Tajuddin. On the basis of these points, we can say that Tajuddin Firoz Shah was a very great king in this dynasty. Now, I will review these points whatever we have discussed today. 7th standard social science class history lesson number 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs. Bahmani Adil Shah kingdom established in 1337 CE. The founder of Bahmani dynasty is Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah. Alauddin was working in the army of Delhi Sultanate Muhammad bin Tughlaq period. Bahmani sultans ruled from 1347 to 1527 CE. States which are present Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, that is Telangana, they ruled and established their empire. First, they made Kalaburgi as their capital. Later, they made Bidar as a capital. And they ruled in the northern part of Krishna river. The famous great sultan of this empire is Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Let us discuss about Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Tajuddin Firoz Shah ruled from 1397 to 1422 CE. Tajuddin was very liberal, judicious and a believer of God. He made the copies of Quran and he was a great writer and also encouraged all languages in his kingdom. And he is also expert in geometry and study about different gods called as theology. He established a capital called as Kalaburgi. Tajuddin built a new city called as Firozabad on the bank of Bhima river. Tajuddin also gifted many villages to Sufi saint. Bande Nawaz was one of the famous Sufi saints belonged to his period and he visited in his kingdom. Tajuddin made the development of ports and encouraged foreign trade also. So with all these contributions, we can understand that Tajuddin was a famous king and a great important writer, philosopher in the Bahmani dynasty. So next of my video, I will continue the Muhammad Gawan, one of the prime minister working in Muhammad Shah III period, and what are his contributions in the field of education, administration, military, etc. Thank you, children.